So guys, finally I got a call this morning from poster office that my Google Adsense Pin is ready. So right now I'm gonna be going there, so I'm going to take you guys along and I'll be showing you all procedure because I was asked to come with some documents which includes my national ID card. But before we even start the journey, let me just brief you guys on how I was able to sign up for my AdSense and when exactly I signed for it and for how long I have waited. And also there is this single mistake that I was about to do, so I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. You really need to stick through to the end of this video because it's very detailed. If you miss anything in this video, it might affect you. That is, if you're not monetized yet, it might affect you when signing up for your YouTube AdSense, so you have to pay attention. Okay, you all know that I got monetized here last year December 15th, which this is it here. This was the congratulation email I got from YouTube. So when you get monetized on YouTube, you'll be requested to accept the monetization. Then after that, the next thing you're going to see is this thing over here where you have your review based terms, sign up for AdSense for YouTube and get reviewed. So what that review based terms is all about is just you agreeing to YouTube terms and condition. Don't worry, you're going to see it there. So just go ahead and read every single thing before you click on accept. Definitely you click on accept because if you don't accept it, that means you don't want to get monetized. So you just have to go through it, make sure your channel is free of any strike and all, then you click on accept. So after that, I think it's going to wait for few minutes, yes, or maybe an hour. Then after that process, the next process is sign up for AdSense for YouTube. So if you've not created AdSense before, you have to be very sure that, oh, I've not created AdSense before. Then all you just need to do is to go ahead and click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see three options, which is yes, I have AdSense for YouTube or AdSense account. Second option is no, I need to create one, and the last option is I don't know. Definitely this last option, you don't have to click on it, so you go ahead and click on that no, I need to create one. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you over to where you have to go ahead and sign up for your AdSense. Don't be scared, don't be pressured, just take your time and make sure you fill the important information. Now here comes the mistake that I said I'm going to be telling you guys about. Now when you want to fill in your postal office, please, I'm going to advise you now, do not sign up for AdSense immediately. Get up, go ahead and check out for like 2-3 postal office in your area. Make your findings, try to know when last they received their AdSense or if Google actually sent AdSense to them at all. Yes, because this particular thing delayed me. As you all know, I had to wait for 5 weeks. I was even tempted to even go ahead and reapply after I made my research. They were like, if it's got to 3 weeks and you've not received your AdSense pin, you should go ahead and reapply. But I don't know, something deep down just asked me to wait. After all, is it not AdSense? And when I went further to make my research, they said it can only expire after 4 months. That means your account might be at risk. After 4 months, you don't impute your AdSense pin. So I said, okay, if this January ends and I don't get it, I'll just go ahead and reapply. Who knows, maybe I made mistake in my address and all. So what am I trying to say? Do not make the mistake I did, because the postal office in my area, they don't receive AdSense pin regularly. In fact, the place where they sent my pin, the last time they received Google AdSense was since September. So had it been I know, I wouldn't have even used them at all. I would have used another postal office in my area. So before you sign up for AdSense, please make your research. Get up, stroll around, or you call people to help you check out the postal office that receives mail often. So guys, I'm going right now, so let's go together. I'm anxious and I'm nervous. So guys, still on the way. Guys, I'm finally inside the I think street where the poster office is. Hey, like, is that lady that is outside that's going to give me? Jesus Christ, cream lake. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. So happy. Finally finished. Oh, well, this now stressed me. It has stressed go. Nature today.
But account number.
UBA now.
UBA.
Balance.
Yes. Account.
20.
20.
21.
Look, it's here.
Boy.
2021.
So guys, I'm back from getting my accents. All work no play makes John, makes princess a dull girl. So I just want to flex myself small, you know. Yeah. I need it now. I need it. Sure, I need it. Baby, say hello. My husband is not the camera type. Like, he's so shy. So guys, you guys should just take today's video like a vlog. You know, I don't do this on my channel, but it is what it is, okay? So I am at shop right now. So guys, I'm going to be doing a shout out soon to some of you that got that guessed right in the comment section from these posts. So stay tuned. So guys, I've gotten the AdSense, the Google AdSense, and this is what it looks like. I know I told you guys that I was going to be explaining a whole lot, but unfortunately I got there very late. So at the use of my national ID card was just to verify if I'm actually the person or if I'm the owner. So should in case you want to send somebody to help you get your Google AdSense, always make sure you give the person your national ID card. And the last thing I was asked to do was just to sign. So officially I have my Google AdSense and I can't just wait to open it and get every other setting done. So it's very easy. Just make sure you don't make any mistake while setting your own. So I promised that I was gonna be giving a shout out to some of you guys. So my first shout out actually goes to, you all know her, Glory C. Yeah, your YouTuber. She teaches about YouTube growth and all. Unfortunately last night I was on her live stream and we were both discussing about me replying for my Google Adsense Pin. So have you guys seen how God actually works? Just yesterday I even had to message her on WhatsApp. You can see it here as evidence. And this morning I got a call. So had it been I reapply this pin, I won't be making use of it. That is, it will automatically expire and I'll have to start waiting all over again till probably month end. So my first shout out goes to her. My second shout out goes to Artist Francisca's vlogs. Oh, I notice you, I see what you're doing, just keep it up. Then my third shout out goes to Art Ebere Reels. Thank you so much for guessing right. That means you guys are actually following me well. Then my third shout out goes to Dima Lifestyle. I think I met you in Glory C live yesterday. You are also doing well. God bless you. Thank you for guessing right. And my next shout out goes to at Michi's Word. Guys, you can also subscribe to their channel and also support them. They are willing to support anybody that support them. So I think that's right English. So my next shout out goes to at DSUN's Affair or at Dusun's Affair. Thank you for guessing right. And my next shout out goes to at Naturally Kabu. Thank you for guessing right also. Then my next shout out or the last shout out goes to at Neka's Stories. You guys amazed me. Oh, before I forgot, there's still one more person, which is at Chidera Obina. You guys really amazed me. Even Chineye, I mustn't forget at Chineye's Thank you so much for guessing right. And as for those of you that have actually been praying for me in the comment section, wishing me a brand new car, a brand new camera, and lots, I say amen to every of your wishes, and I'm really happy. So before I forgot, at Rema's Tales and Truths, you were the last person that guessed it was actually AdSense, Google AdSense. So thank you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.